Oh my, this is a beautiful old painting. It's certainly worth rescuing. Been given a hard time. We have this excellent Winton's picture cleaner, which I have always relied on. Hardest thing in the world. Where's our little balls of tissue? No abrasion in it.
Those gloves are excessively large.
Yes, they are. I'll go through a lot of this. You use it till it looks soiled. Start it and get another one. Doing it in levels is not a bad idea because the painting is actually laid on in levels until the thing looks soiled. Isn't this good? There are a number of little blemishes I think we can still remove. Gotta see if any of this surface invasion can be fully and utterly removed, and perhaps it won't be. Why should I sit inside? Good reason for using finest artist oil colors, because they resist the effect of light fading the colors. They hold their original quality so much better than some inferior type of paint. Never work with inferior materials.